Hey you guys, Jatara is back with another video. Do y'all see the slay? Like, just get into it. Like, I really did my thing with these Fulani braids. This was my very first time ever trying that style. And of course, I had to try it on my baby because it was her birthday. So I decided that I would try the Fulani braids on my daughter for her 13th birthday. Okay? But, you guys, I have not braided in years. Like, I haven't braided like this rather in years. I have half braided, but not like how I just slayed my baby hair. I have not did those type of braids since God knows when. Like, I can't even go back because I really don't remember. That's just how long it's been since I've done those type of braids. And when I did used to braid like that, I used to charge $25 back in the days for braids like that. And it probably wasn't as neat as it is now, but they definitely, I always could braid or whatever. Like, let me just get into that. Let me just get into how I started out doing hair. Y'all can watch me do my baby hair, but y'all finna listen to me tell my story on basically me becoming a hairstylist or whatever. But anywho, I was like 6th, 7th grade. I want to say 7th grade is when I really started taking braiding seriously. Like, I always used to, play with the little baby dolls or whatever. But once I got into 7th grade, child, you couldn't tell me nothing. I used to stay keeping my friends' hair, done because I braided. Like, they always wanted me to braid their hair or whatever. That's how I honestly started doing hair. So my sister who passed away, she ended up going to school for hair. Finished, I'm talking about made it all the way to having to take her state board. She never took it and stopped going to school. Like, basically, she just stopped. And my sister will always come home and do my hair, like, in a little different hairstyle she has learned or whatever the case may be. And then I know, back in my mom days, she used to do hair as well. Jerry curls, braids, or whatever. And she kept, like, her nieces and her nieces, ain't gonna say nephews, child. She kept her niece's hair done. So it's like hereditary. Like, it just 3 generations of, honestly, I don't know where my mama get it from, but I know I get it from my mama. So, yeah. My sister ended up getting out of just doing hair, period. And my mom had brought her, like, that little Marcel iron kit or whatever. And all that stuff was just at the house. So I started playing in it. And I started doing my friend's hair with quick weaves. And I think I learned, like, basically I taught myself how to do hair. But me doing quick weaves, honestly, it just made me not want to braid anymore, because that was a quicker way to get money versus me being on one client head all day doing braids and only charging $25. You get what I'm saying? Like, at that point in time, it was like, like, I'm doing all this work for nothing. So, like I said, I ended up getting into quick weaves, and I just took off with the quick weaves. Quick weaves started from like ponytails and bangs to the quick weaves to the sew-ins, and then we get in the early 2000s, middle 2000s, we start doing the wigs, and I just went from there. You get what I'm saying? Like, and I took off. Like, I got here in Daytona. I started out in Daytona doing braids, and then just the quick as I had done reeled them girls in to let them know, like, I don't just do braids. Like, I could do this and do that. Honey, I built my clientele here, and it was murder, she wrote. So back to story time or whatever. But first of all, before I get into story time, let me just tell y'all, the beginning of the video, me and my daughter had on, a whole totally different wardrobe, outfit, or clothing. I prepped her hair. That was a Friday, and I didn't actually do her hair until that Sunday, day before her birthday. So yeah, that's why we have on, a whole set of different clothing. Also, I just want y'all to get into that waist. Like, the waist is wasting, honey. I am working up something. If you girlies want to know, just stay tuned. Y'all have to just subscribe to my channel, okay? Like, if you're not already subscribed, like, what is you doing? Subscribe to Life with Jay, because it's Life with Jay over here. And I ain't gonna talk too much more about what I'm working on, because that's gonna be another topic for another video. for those who've been wanting to know my weight loss journey or whatever. So we're gonna discuss that on, like I said, another video. But right now I'm finna get back into my story time of me doing hair or whatever. Or do y'all want me to explain what I'm doing? I'm gonna do a little bit of both. How about that? So I done bundled her hair in already. At the top of her hair, like, ain't no hair left out at all. So what I did was flipped over a track. Like, I bun the track a different way, and then when I flipped it over, it just basically, the hair ended up covering, you know, the track, top and bottom. So ain't nothing out. I'm going in right now, I'm parting out her baby hairs, because baby hairs just definitely went with this look. So therefore, she got some baby hairs. But no, baby hairs is just, I think baby hairs just sets off the hairstyle. You get what I'm saying? Like, braids be cute and all, but when you got some baby hairs, it just add a lot of flavor. I ain't gonna say a little, it adds a lot of flavor to the hairstyle. And also, I didn't know how I wanted to style her hair, so I already had started braiding before I picked back up the camera and hit record, because I didn't know what I wanted to do. Like I told you guys, I haven't braided in so long, so it was like, what do I do? And I just literally just started freestyling, you guys. I just, you know, like, I don't know, I can't think of the word right now, but I just started freestyling. I just started going off the top of the dome. And so it brought me out of retirement. You get what I'm saying? Like, you know, I just had to pop my shit. Like, how about that? I just had to pop my shit, because it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I braided hair, and I had to slay my baby hair. And had to give y'all some content. You get what I'm saying? Like, so why not? And then if you guys see the camera keep going in and out, y'all know it's trying to focus on whatever. So my apologies to that as well. I'm working on better quality for you guys. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoying the video so far. You know, I'm trying to think of things to say, because y'all know I don't do this voiceover. I don't do voiceovers because I don't like my tone of my voice. It's so raspy. It's just like, but whatever. It is what it is. And her hair is just, it's coming out fire. Like, I really did that. I'm really shocked that I did that. Like, I did that. But anywho, that's what I get, because I'm always sleeping on myself. And I don't know why. Like, I don't know why I be sleep on myself, but I really need to put a handle to that, because I am very talented at a lot of things that I do. Like, basically anything my hands touch, it just, I don't know, like, I'm just blessed. Like, I'm blessed. My hands is definitely blessed. And I guess everything just turns into gold. I don't know. Like, I don't know what to say, but let me tell you guys, like, right at this point, like, basically I'm adding the 18 inches of hair. Okay. Let me just back some. I ain't tell you guys the kind of hair I use. That's deep wave. Ordered it off Amazon. That's why I can't do voiceovers, y'all, because my mind be somewhere everywhere, and I'm really leaving out a lot of key points. So her hair was from Amazon, which was a 22, 20, 18 inches. And then I did have a 16-inch bundle, but I did not use that at all. I used 2.5 packs, and, well, actually, you might as well say, 2.5 packs, because I did use, I used 2.5 packs. I added the curly pieces in her braid, and then at the end of the braid, I added curly pieces as well, because I didn't want her to do the braids. Like, I didn't want to have to dip her hair, so I added curly pieces to the end and then cut off the excess braid hair that I didn't need, and then went in with a little bit of bonding glue to seal it off so it don't unravel. But yeah, I'm always saying and that's something I need to work on. That I really need to work on that. But anywho, y'all see what it is that I'm doing. You know, I thought I lost it. I thought I ain't know how to braid really no more, because y'all, your girl not been braiding. Like, I don't braid really, especially like this. I always have on nails. That's another reason why I don't braid. But of course, in this video, I don't have no nails on, because I told myself I'm gonna give myself a break from nails. I have worn nails all my life, like literally. Well, I can't say all my life, because not when I was a little girl. But when I got old enough to be able to keep my nails done, like, you guys, my nails and toes stay done. I don't care about my hair, even though I'm off topic. But anywho, yeah, that's why I don't braid. I don't like to braid because it's so time consuming, you know, and I'm a perfectionist, so I gotta take my time, gotta make sure my part is straight. You know, it's just a lot. Like, I commend the braiders, like the ones who really do this shit, like really, you know, do that for a living. Like, I commend you guys. Like, y'all top tier, honestly. Y'all got us hairstylists beat. Like, braiders, y'all pop y'all shit. I must say that, you know, because it's like I said, it's time consuming. And I know the more you do it, the quicker you get at it. But me personally, I think that's just something I don't think I will ever get used to. Like, every now and again, I will pop out with, like, trying to do the new trend, like whatever it is that's out. I would try it, but that's it. Like for instance, I had a client, she had wanted frontal plaits, like knotless plaits on the frontal and in the back. Don't get me wrong, I slayed her hair. I'm gonna show y'all. Boom. See? Y'all see that? I slayed her hair. But I just could not do it again. Like, it was just too much time consuming for me. Like, I couldn't do it again. Like, I blocked my day off for my client, everything, did her hair, slayed her hair. But that was it. I've never done that style no more after that, because I don't know, braids just I feel like it just takes up too much of my time, you know. And yeah, I'm gonna just say it like that. That's what it is. It just take up too much of my time that I don't have to give. I'd rather deal with multiple clients in a day than literally stand on one head for hours, you know. So yeah, that's where I'm at with it. But yeah, I just had to, like I said, come out of retirement. Sis brought me out of retirement, you know, slay her hair. And this where we at with it, you know. It's like, I really do want to be very informational and really say things to you guys, like doing voiceovers or when I'm uploading tutorials or whatever. But it's like, the minute I hit record, it's like all my thoughts go out the window, and then it's like I'm just I go to rambling and don't know what to say. I get stuck, you know. And that's something I really do need to work on, because I really do want to, like, just talk to you guys. Even if I'm doing a hair tutorial, like, I want to just give you guys, like, story times in between, you know. Or I don't know, like, I don't want to just talk about me doing the hair or what it is that I'm doing, because like I said, you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm doing. And if you guys have any questions, you can just leave a comment, and I'm sure I'm going to reply, you know. Yeah, I want to just bring different content to you guys. Like, I don't want to just do the same old thing. And I know a lot of you ladies here subscribe, or even gentlemen subscribe to me due to I do hair, you know. So it's only right I come back and give you guys the hair tutorials. Like, yes, I cut my baby real hair. I sure did. I ain't cut much of it, but I did cut, you know, I did cut her hair, because her baby hair was long. Shoot. So this pretty much wraps up the video. I also went in with just some mousse and water off camera, you know, wet her hair, brushed it out, And yeah, like, this wraps up the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, get into it, get into those braids. Like, I'll pop my sugar honey iced tea. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.